Random sidebar, whatever. So last year we started growing strawberries in our backyard, and we thought the plants weren't really like producing enough until we found a whole bunch of dehydrated strawberries in our shed where the squirrel had hidden them. Okay, so this year I'm getting all this joy out of seeing the squirrel run into our yard, but then the magpies chased the squirrel away. However, the magpies are starting to become a problem, but now the crows are coming in to chase the magpies away, and it just makes me so happy when they do that. And instead of writing the fantasy romance book I'm supposed to be working on, I'm sitting here watching crows chase magpies, chase squirrels, and it's just, what are you doing today?